Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to use Fliki AI text-to-speech. But before you continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Fliki AI tutorials. So log into the Fliki AI account and head over to here and type in your text, like text. And you can select text prompt and you can come up with an idea with this button. So you can also add files and construction to your text, and when you're done, just click on create to start converting your text to speech. So through the duration of your speech, 15 seconds to 15 minutes, and click on next and select the portrait of your template, here line 16 for mobile, and audio style, the language and the style. The format is explainable, simple script or etc. Click on next, and here just click on submit to start creating your speech with Fliki. And that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment.